Alright, if you want to make your document more engaging, yeah, adding images is a must. In this full guide, I'll show you how to insert images in Google Docs step by step. First, open your document in Google Docs where you want to add the image. Now go to the top menu and click on Insert. From the drop-down, hover over Image. You'll see multiple ways to add an image. You can upload from your computer, search the web, use Google Drive, or even paste a URL. Select your image and click Insert. It will appear directly in your document. Click on the image and drag the corners to resize it. You can change how the image sits, like inline, wrap text, or break text. Drag the image anywhere in the document to position it where you want. You can add as many images as you need to make your document more visually appealing. And yeah, that's how you insert images in Google Docs. Simple steps, and your document instantly looks better and more professional.